Hello everybody, it's me, it's Chris, Legacy Conversations. You know, we've received quite a bit of questions through the years from people, viewers, listeners, many of them foreigners. We will ask us questions which I decided I'm going to answer in way of a video, so that we can share our knowledge, because I believe as veterans of the South African military or police, we actually do have a lot of skills, a lot of knowledge, and lots of things which people will be, frankly speaking, astonished about. So I started this channel, the links are here below in the description. Please go there, please subscribe there, spread the word, and get involved. I don't know everything. So if somebody starts asking me questions about fighter aircraft or whatever, and I cannot answer, then I definitely want to get a panel together and we can discuss these things. It's also possible that I might have made a mistake. In that case, guys, get involved. Why? Because we need to get the truth out there. The three subjects which we've covered already in the videos. First one is about the AK-47 R4, R5 and the R2 rifle. Someone was asking us questions about that. That is 2 episodes. And then there's also the one where they asked me, couldn't you guys just think that apartheid perhaps was wrong? Why were you so indoctrinated that you couldn't see what the rest of the world was seeing? Nou ja, dis baie maklik om nou terug te kyk, nee, maar in daai jare was dinge 'n bietjie anders geweest. So manne, wat ek wil doen is, ek wil legacy hou soos hy is. Laat die ouens kom en laat hulle stories vertel en laat hulle kom praat. Maar terselfdertyd wil ek begin waar ons begin vra antwoord en die kennis wat ons opgedoen het deur die jare, of weet, ons is nou ook die grysware ouens, ons is nou die ooms, dat ons hierdie kennis van ons kan uitsprei en miskien is daar iemand wat gehelp kan word deur dit. So ek hoop julle gaan belangstel, ek hoop julle gaan so toe gaan ook. Legacy raak nie weg nie, gaan maar aan soos altyd. Maar ek dink hierdie vrae en antwoorde is vir my persoonlik nogal iets om redelik opgewonde te wees. Want onthou, ek het dosyne boeke oor hierdie onderwerpe geskryf, so ek het redelike groot kennis al. Maar so het julle. So kom ons maak dit 'n gesamentlike operasie. Reg manne, God seën, tot ons mekaar weer ontmoet.